Let's take a look at these examples. This time the base is e. There is no question. You must use natural log. Anytime you see base e, you're supposed to use natural log. So ln e 2 minus t equals ln 248. Next, you're supposed to use the property for the log of power and bring this exponent to the front of the logarithm, and you'll have 2 minus t ln e equals ln 248. Please keep in mind that the natural log of e is equal 1. So we're going to have 2 minus t times 1 is equal ln 248. I'm going to have 2 minus t equals ln 248 because 1 times parenthesis is going to give me the value of the parenthesis. Now, because I have negative t, I'm going to move this negative t to the right side, and the logarithm I'm going to move to the left side because I want to make t positive. So I'm going to have 2 minus ln 248 is equal t. If you are going to plug in these values into the calculator and subtract them, you are going to have value of t, and t is going to be equal negative 3.5134. And this is the solution to this problem. If you want to verify your answer, you're supposed to plug in this value instead of t to the original equation. But please keep in mind, anytime you will try to verify, add parentheses, right, to your exponent. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we have base e. Anytime you have e as a base, you're supposed to use the natural logarithm. Let's simply write ln e 2t plus 1 is equal ln 32. Again, you're supposed to use the property for the log of power and bring the exponent to the front of the logarithm, and you are going to have 2t plus 1 times natural log of e equals ln 32. Natural log of e is equal 1. 1 times 2t plus 1 is simply 2t plus 1 equals ln 32. Next, you're supposed to move 1 to the other side. Going to take 1 to the other side. Why? Because there is no t next to 1. And I'm going to have 2t equals natural log 32 minus 1. In order to find the value of t, you have to divide both sides equation by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. t is equal ln 32 minus 1 at the parenthesis over 2. Plug in these values into the calculator and you're supposed to obtain t equals 1.2328. And this is the solution to this problem.